Well, welcome back to the Timeline Ranch. It's a beautiful morning. Let's take a walk around the pond, see how everything's looking. With the sunlight, you can see all the midges flying. We don't have mosquitoes here at the ranch, but we do have midges. They are the non-biting type, luckily. You can see all those migratory finches busy at work. Yeah, temperatures are just about perfect this morning. Nice and calm. You can see a few little spots where the water bugs are hitting on the top. Palm trees looking good. Yesterday, I didn't film it, but I planted some Mulberry beans. Both the black and the white variations. I'm not going to water them though. When it starts raining during the monsoonal months is the natural rhythm of it, so I'm going to let that happen. They're quite hardy type of bean. They should grow well out here. Had a subscriber suggest them and I thought it was a good idea. So I planted the black Mulberry beans in this little raised bed, and white in this one and this one here. And I also planted some in this one over here. So here at the building, if you didn't catch the video, I put up a few bird houses. I put one birdhouse there. I put a bat house right here. And then another birdhouse right here. I put up a camera right here that's shooting this direction to catch any activity coming in and out of them. And then of course I've got the bird feeder here. We'll see if we get any takers for the houses here. Yeah, it's a beautiful morning. Let's go look at our palm tree. It's on the backside of this big dam on the main creek. Yeah, I'm really liking how this thing's looking. It's getting a good root network going there. This honey mesquite, this is one of our honey mesquites that we're going to turn into a tree, at least with the central trunk. It's looking good. It's going to help block all these rocks in nicely. This one's looking good. I'm going to give them one more watering this evening. And that's going to be it for 2 months. This is the last full day that'll be here, this trip. Lots of those finches in this shrubs here. White-winged dove. So here we are at this other little planted area that has the fence around it. Palm trees looking good. I planted some more Mulberry beans, white ones and black ones in this one here. Just planted white on one side and black on the other. No signs of life from the moringa. Probably the soil's still a little too cool for it to want to come back for this year. I didn't mess with this little raised bed here because I had asparagus planted in it. And I'm hoping to see it come back from last year. We'll see. And the volunteer deal are looking pretty good. I'll be interested to see if these baccaris sticks that I threw in from the trimming on this side here to hopefully thicken that up so the birds will want to nest in it or feel safer in it. If that's going to sink to the bottom by the time I get back in May here in 2 months. I haven't seen any of the Zola lately. I don't know if the water bugs are eating it or if it's just not enough to find a piece in here. I'm going to bring some more on the next trip out. Maybe a 5-gallon bucket of it. Just in case it's not here. It may, who knows, maybe when I come half this pond will be a Zola. It does multiply pretty quick in the right setting. One of our little pecan trees looking good this morning. Yeah, I'm looking forward to coming back in May, see how everything's developed over that 2-month period. I was hoping to see a little bit more bud swell by the end of this trip, but it's definitely coming back. It's just not as fast as I had hoped. I was wanting to see a little bit more green by now. Definitely alive and growing. Wonder if there's any of those toe biters down here this morning. They like to hang out on this grass that's growing into the water. I don't see any. This is our original pecan tree. It's getting a little bud swell as well. Yeah, I'm really hoping to see this thing out of the top of this fence at the end of this grow season. I'll be real happy about that. Hoping to see those snails show back up, but I haven't seen any yet. I'll give it some time. I'm sure they'll be back. I was thinking there would have been some dormant eggs in there. One of our mulberries we planted this trip. Looking happy. I think these are going to do really well here. Mulberries do well in this climate, as long as they have enough water to make it through the dry spells. Some more volunteer deal there. Looks like the deal that I transplanted along with the trees looking alright. Maybe it'll seed. Those little finches are fun to watch. Very active. There's one of our other mulberries. This one looks good as well. They all three of them look like they took the transplant well. This one actually has a mulberry on it already. Yeah, I'm sure next year this thing's going to come in pretty strong. This one looks good as well. Yeah, I'm going to give them one more watering and then they're on their own after that. More than likely I won't water them again. As long as we get normal monsoonal season, this pond gets another drink of water. It only takes about an inch of rain in this upper portion to fill this pond up. And it fills up quick. About 10 minutes, fills the whole thing up from the bottom. Yeah, I think these two almond trees, Mission Texas almond trees, are dead. We'll see. My little window I made to view this thing. This is our other Mission Texas almond. This one is not dead. It's got some leaf out already. Yeah, this one's looking good. Looking forward to see if we get a little height growth out of it this year. It's basically been in survival mode this whole time it's been here. Beautiful sight to see in the Chihuahuan Desert. It's gonna look nice with these palm trees when they start growing in. There'll be more palms planted. You know, this is gonna be the beach area over here. I'll be planting probably 3 more out here. You need about 30 feet spacing on them. When they're fully developed, the prawns will be touching each other. If they're not, you don't want that. There'll be maybe 1 or 2 up here on this radius area. Lots of those little migratory finches getting a drink over there. Well, I think that's going to be it for this one. I hope you enjoyed the nature walk this morning. If you like what I'm doing out here and you want to help speed this project up, there's a few ways to do that in the description. Buy Me Coffee's one. There's also Amazon. Every little bit will get me closer to being out here full time, making this project go a lot faster. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.